Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yorkshire tea. First, gather your essentials: a clean mug, a Yorkshire tea bag or loose leaf tea, and fresh, cold water. The quality of your water significantly impacts the taste, so always start with cold tap water. Make sure your kettle is clean too, as limescale can affect the flavor. This simple preparation ensures a perfect brew every time. Once your water is fresh and cold, bring it to a rolling boil in your kettle. This ensures the water is hot enough to properly extract the tea's flavor. Place 1 Yorkshire tea bag into your mug for a standard cup, or 2 for a stronger brew. Immediately pour the freshly boiled water directly over the tea bag, ensuring full immersion for optimal brewing. Allow your tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. For a robust flavor, steep longer. For a lighter cup, steep less. Once brewed, gently remove the tea bag without squeezing it, as this can release bitter tannins. Now, it's time to customize. Add milk and sugar to your liking, stir, and enjoy your perfectly brewed Yorkshire tea. For an even better experience, consider warming your mug with a splash of hot water before brewing. This keeps your tea hotter for longer. Always store your Yorkshire tea in an airtight container, away from direct light and strong odors, to maintain its freshness and flavor. And speaking of great things, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out the link in the description for the simple path to wealth, as well as other fantastic deals we've found for you. Enjoy your tea!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.